Thinking about switching to Lunar and wondering about the application timeline? It's a common question when choosing a new bank, and luckily, the process is pretty quick. Lunar is designed for a completely digital experience, and that speed starts right from your application. The first step is simply downloading the Lunar app, available on both the App Store and Google Play, and beginning the sign-up process right there. For personal accounts, the application itself only takes a few minutes to complete. You'll input your personal details, and since Lunar is a modern, digital bank, they aim to give you an answer to your application quickly. In many cases, you can get approved and be up and running within just a few days. Some users even report being fully verified in minutes. The key to keeping it fast is making sure all your necessary information and identification, like a valid ID and Danish MIT ID if you are in Denmark, are ready and correct. Now, if you're applying for a Lunar business account, the processing time is a little longer because business applications involve more comprehensive checks. Lunar generally advises that it can take up to 3 weeks to complete a business account application. The exact time for both personal and business accounts can vary based on factors like the volume of applications they're handling at the moment, and how quickly you respond to any follow-up questions they might have. The bottom line? Lunar is built for speed. For a personal account, you're looking at a matter of days. For a business account, expect a few weeks. Either way, once you submit, keep an eye on your Lunar app and your email for updates or any requests for additional information to ensure the fastest possible processing time.